We're here at Hofstra University, where at Pride Park, there's a carnival behind me. This gives the students the opportunity to have some fun right before finals start. This is a great activity, and we had the chance to speak with some students about their experience.
I think events like this, especially ones outside, will definitely be more accessible in the sense that not only will people be less afraid to come out as the virus kind of dies down, but people will be more protected.
At the carnival, right behind the Student Center, crowds were forming as students were anxiously awaiting to design t-shirts and name plaques.
I double major, so I'm always in class, and I have a job on campus, so I'm always at work, so it's really hard to kind of like get involved. I do hope to get a t-shirt made.
My last name painted, and as well as an airbrush t-shirt of my name. It's pretty awesome.
The conversation came full circle with Alexis when she touched on the bright side of being vaccinated.
So I definitely think there'll be more things like this, like on a grander scale, and then kind of on a smaller scale in the residence halls and kind of on a more personable level. So like game nights or like maybe like like study night, like we're all gonna order pizza, like something small like that, because a lot of people either can't come out of their room or don't want to due to like mental health, due to the fear of this, ever-changing virus and the world around us and stuff.
That being said, the Hofstra Carnival continued as planned. It was clean, safe, and it showed students what the new normal will be in the coming semester. This is Max Coven with your Hofstra News.